Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kayadu Lohar, a prominent figure in the fashion world, is renowned for her impeccable style and ability to effortlessly blend traditional Indian attire with contemporary trends. Her sari fashion choices are a testament to her deep appreciation for Indian culture and her flair for modern aesthetics. She often gravitates towards saris that showcase intricate craftsmanship, such as handwoven Banarasi silks, delicate Chanderi weaves, or vibrant Bandhani prints. These saris not only highlight the rich heritage of Indian textiles but also exude timeless elegance. She is particularly fond of pairing her saris with statement blouses that feature unique cuts, embellishments, or modern designs, adding a fresh twist to the classic ensemble. One of her signature styles is her ability to balance bold and subtle elements. She might opt for a heavily embroidered sari but pair it with minimalistic jewelry to let the fabric take center stage. Alternatively, she could choose a simple, monochrome sari and elevate the look with a heavily adorned blouse or striking accessories. Her color choices are equally versatile, ranging from earthy tones like mustard, olive green, and terracotta to vibrant hues like fuchsia, royal blue, and emerald green. This versatility allows her to adapt her sari looks to various occasions, whether it's a formal event, a festive celebration, or a casual outing. The actress also embraces the concept of sustainable fashion, often seen in saris made from organic fabrics or those crafted by local artisans. She frequently supports handloom initiatives, promoting the preservation of traditional weaving techniques. Her sari draping style is another aspect of her fashion identity. She experiments with different draping methods, such as the classic Nevi style, the modern Pant style drape, or even the Gujarati style pallu, showcasing her creativity and adaptability. Accessories play a crucial role in completing her sari looks. She often chooses jhumkas, mang tikkas, or statement necklaces that complement the sari's design without overpowering it. Her choice of footwear ranges from traditional juttis to contemporary heels, depending on the occasion. She pays attention to details like bindis, bangles, and clutches, which add a finishing touch to her ensemble. Her sari fashion choices also reflect her deep understanding of how to adapt traditional attire to suit contemporary lifestyles. She often experiments with fabrics that are not only luxurious but also practical for modern wear. For instance, she is frequently seen in lightweight materials like georgette, chiffon, and organza, which offer ease of movement and a flowy drape, making them ideal for both formal and casual settings. She doesn't shy away from heavier fabrics like silk and brocade for grand occasions, proving her ability to master the art of balancing comfort and elegance. Another striking aspect of Kayadu's sari style is her attention to detail. She often incorporates unique elements like metallic borders, intricate threadwork, or unconventional pallu designs to add a touch of individuality to her outfits. Her saris often feature modern motifs, such as geometric patterns, abstract art, or even minimalist designs, which appeal to younger generations while still respecting traditional aesthetics. This fusion of old and new makes her sari choices relatable to a wide audience, from older generations who appreciate the cultural significance to younger fashion enthusiasts who seek a fresh take on classic attire. She also knows how to play with textures and layers to create depth in her sari looks. She might pair a sheer sari with a contrasting underskirt or layer a lightweight dupatta over her sari for a more dynamic appearance. This layering technique not only adds visual interest but also allows her to experiment with different color combinations and patterns. She might pair a pastel-colored sari with a bold, contrasting blouse or a heavily embroidered dupatta, creating a harmonious yet striking ensemble. Her choice of sari draping styles further showcases her innovative approach to fashion. While she often sticks to the classic Nevi drape for its timeless appeal, she isn't afraid to experiment with regional draping styles like the Bengali style, where the pallu is draped over the left shoulder, or the Maharashtrian style, which involves a dhoti-like drape. These variations not only highlight her versatility but also pay homage to India's diverse cultural heritage. Her ability to adapt these styles to suit her personal aesthetic is a testament to her creativity and fashion-forward thinking. When it comes to accessories, her choices are always thoughtful and intentional. She often opts for handcrafted jewelry, such as oxidized silver pieces, kundan sets, or temple jewelry, which add a rustic yet elegant touch to her sari looks. At the same time, she isn't afraid to mix and match traditional and contemporary accessories, such as pairing a classic sari with a sleek clutch or modern heels. This blend of old and new ensures that her looks remain relevant and appealing to a global audience. Her sari fashion choices also extend to her hairstyle and makeup, which she tailors to complement her outfit. For a traditional look, she might go for a sleek bun adorned with gajra or fresh flowers, paired with bold eyeliner and a classic red lip. For a more modern vibe, she might opt for loose waves or a high ponytail, paired with nude makeup and a glossy lip. This attention to detail ensures that every element of her look is cohesive and well thought out. She often chooses saris made from eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo silk, or recycled materials, and she supports brands that prioritize fair trade practices and artisan welfare. By doing so, she not only sets a positive example for her followers but also contributes to the preservation of traditional crafts and the environment. Her sari fashion journey is also deeply rooted in her ability to tell stories through her attire. Each sari she wears seems to have a narrative, whether it's about the artisan who crafted it, the region it hails from, or the cultural significance of its design. Her sari wardrobe is also a reflection of her adaptability to different seasons and occasions. During the summer months, she often opts for breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or mulmul, adorned with delicate embroidery or block prints. These saris are perfect for staying comfortable while still looking elegant. In contrast, for winter events, she gravitates towards heavier fabrics like velvet, wool, or silk blends, often layered with shawls or stoles for added warmth and sophistication. Her ability to tailor her sari choices to the weather and setting demonstrates her practical yet stylish approach to fashion. One of the most inspiring aspects of her sari style is her inclusivity and ability to make saris accessible to women of all ages and body types. She often shares tips on how to drape saris to flatter different body shapes, how to choose the right blouse design, and how to accessorize for various occasions. She might suggest a high-neck blouse for a more structured look or a sleeveless blouse for a modern, youthful vibe. Her inclusive approach encourages women to embrace saris with confidence, regardless of their age, size, or personal style. This ability to blend nostalgia with modernity makes her sari looks both refreshing and relatable. In addition to her personal style, her sari choices often reflect her support for emerging designers and sustainable fashion brands. She is frequently spotted wearing saris from young, innovative designers who are pushing the boundaries of traditional Indian wear. By showcasing their work, she helps bring these talents into the spotlight and encourages her followers to explore new avenues in fashion. Her collaborations with sustainable brands also highlight her commitment to promoting eco-conscious choices, whether it's through saris made from organic dyes, zero-waste production techniques, or upcycled materials. Her sari fashion philosophy also extends to her choice of footwear and handbags, which she carefully selects to complement her outfits. For traditional occasions, she might pair her sari with embellished jutis or kolhapuris, while for more contemporary events, she opts for sleek heels or even trendy sneakers for a fusion look. Her handbag choices range from embroidered clutches to minimalist totes, depending on the vibe of her ensemble. This attention to detail ensures that every aspect of her look is cohesive and well curated. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.